Hello friends, new video out. So today's topic I'm going to discuss. Recently I've come across certain chapters of the Quran which says that this world is temporary and indeed it's not a resting place for us. So the verse, the chapter which talks about this is the Surah Balad. So God here in this chapter swears by the city of Mecca, and he also says swears by the father and the fathered of the entire humanity. So there must be one father who is the father of entire humanity, and here God is referring to the first creation, which is the Adam, and coming to say all, he's taking oath on all those things and telling us the humanity that indeed we have created man in a constant struggle, constant toil, and this justifies that this world has been created as a testing ground for human beings, and sometimes it might or it shouldn't be taken as a resting place. So God is swearing by the city of Mecca and the hardships which were faced by the earlier descendants of Prophet Adam, including various prophets like Jesus and Noah, and the struggles they underwent, the spiritual journey or the spiritual struggle which they underwent in this world is being cited towards the humanity. And God is again swearing by the Adam, which is the first human being being created by God. So the object of this oath is just to justify that this world is temporary and has an objective of creation, and this creation is that man should be tested here, and God has settled him here for just facing the test of life. So here the main point being discussed is this world is not a resting ground, because some of us we just consider it as a resting ground and we are just so much lost in it here. So God indeed spoke the truth and telling that we here are here for in a constant state of struggle, and in a state which we call the turmoil, which is the constant struggle we have here. From moment we are born, from the moment we are grown. So anything here is not easily achievable. So that's what it is. So we must bear this in mind, and that's what I wanted to share with you. Peace out.